Hi everybody, it's Jen and I am here with the ASC Design Team package share, and this is ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. You can use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your entire order. And I have a new product share. So these are so much fun. They're a sort of confetti for your shaker card, so I can't wait to use these. I know Halloween just passed, but she has a little bit of a Halloween mix, and these are so cute because they have little vampire heads in them. And they're not scary vampire heads, they're cute vampire heads, so that's fun. And then there's little bats and little sequins and some sprinkles too. So I got the Halloween, which has the vampire heads and the bats. I just got this blue mix for, it looks wintry to me, so like snow. Another wintry mix, and it has some different, like there's some stockings, it has some Christmas tree sequins and red and white well, sequins too, and little sprinkles. They're so very cute. The green mix here has little alien heads in it. How cute is that? And this stars and stuff. It's like a little, I want to say like a zodiac. So there's little stars and moons, and it has a little Ouija, so kind of like a zodiac. Super cute. Oh, it's called Witch's Brew. I didn't know they had names. Phone Home, Witch's Brew, Stocking Stuffer, Winter Wonderland, and Bite of Purple. How cute is that? Okay, so those are the new products. You be sure you look at these. They are great. And there's quite a bit in there. That's a lot of shaker cards. Also, I got some score tape. So 1/4" score tape is my go-to for my mini albums, hinges and stuff. I got a roll of that. I got 2 of the Lavinia stamps that I hadn't picked up yet, and they're both these pumpkin houses, so how cute are those? There's a little one and a big one. Again, they're Lavinia. This one's called Pumpkin Pad, and this one's called Pumpkin Lodge. So there she is. Cute, cute. And then I could not pass up this new paper collection from Stamperia. And it is the Songs of the Sea. So it's got this steampunky fantasy vibe. We have horses, we have mermaids, and cool mermaids too, not just weird mermaids. Like usually faces staring at me kind of freak me out a little bit, but I'm digging this one. She's okay. She don't look like she's staring into my soul. We are good. And then I got the 8x8 pad, the 12x12, and then the backgrounds selection. I didn't get the other ones. The A9 pad, it has a lot of cut-aparts in it, and I am up to my ears in cut-aparts with my other collections, so I was like, we're just gonna make this simple. If I need to fussy cut some stuff, I sure can. And there's like a kind of a vibe to see what you got, but I'm loving this collection, so can't wait to make a mini album from that. And then the other paper collection I got, I couldn't pass up because I love a good winter paper, is the Winter Journey from Ciao Bella. So you have owls and foxes, which are just adorable. Whatever this thing is, it looks like a white fox to me, so maybe it is. The birds and the deer, and then the big one. So I got the 12x12 and the paper pad and the patterns pad. So the paper pad is here, and it's kind of, you know, like the main paper pad, and then this is kind of like the backgrounds. So this is the pattern pad. And then I got the 8x8 of that one. So there she is. And then I got the fabric, the Stamperia fabric, and it's Sweet Winter. And I made a book cover not too long ago, well, it's been a while, with the Stamperia Sweet Christmas, no, Pink Christmas. And it's these colors. I like I like them. I think that they'll go great. I'm not decided whether I'm going to do an album cover or something else with it, but I really like these fabrics, and they're not very expensive. And then last but not least, I got this Cora bookbinding material. So I've never used bookbinding material before, even though all the mini albums I made, so I thought I would try it. So this is a good size bit. You can get plenty of albums out of there, and it's actual bookbinding material. I don't know if it's adhesive on the back. I think it's adhesive on the back. It is. So yeah, we're gonna try that out. So yeah, that's all my haul. So don't forget to stop by and pick up your mix 'em ups, your little sequins confetti mixes for your shaker cards and such. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or ASC Craft Supplies and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.